You see, the thing is, I got more Animal Crossing Amiibo cards, Series 3, and you know what? I was feeling a little bit generous with my wallet, and I got 5 packs. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get married for sure, right? Right, guys? Everyone, we're gonna get married. So let's just jump straight into it, and let's just see if our dreams come true, because you all should know, if you are subscribed and have the notifications icon and all that jazz, and have been watching my previous videos, which you should have been doing. Do not make me get cross if you should have been doing it, so you know who we're after. We're after Mary, Series 3. 1, 2, 3. It's Mary. It's not Mary. We just got him as well. Ooh, we have Gala already. It's a cute one, but and then 1, 2, 3. Red Rover, I call over. Do we have Rover? Because as we know, my handy dandy notebook. And we don't need Rover. Is Rover even? Yeah. We don't need Rover. I also went to EB Games and I traded 19 Amiibo cards for 19 of their Amiibo cards. And again, it's just 1 for 1. It doesn't matter. It's not like, oh, I have to trade you 2 for like this one. Like, no, it's just 1 for 1. They don't even like check, you know. So it's like, it's cool. It's good. Mary. Oh, Burger Man. No, it's not Burger Man. Carlos. We have Carlos. Ooh. What a Junior. I'm not sure if I have you. And then we do have Phyllis. Oh, it's so hard that we have so many Amiibo cards, because now I keep getting double ups. Oh, my life is so hard. First world problems, right? But yeah, so I did 19 for 19. I didn't get any like dreamies or like, do not be making noise. How dare they have a life? Okay, they've stopped, and now I'm subconscious. I'm like, oh, can they hear me? I can hear them. Can they hear me? I did 19. What was I saying? I was doing 19 for 19. I didn't get any like dreamies or anything like that. But ooh, oh, you're cool. I do not have Chester. I don't really care, but no. But let me close my window. Okay, there we go. That will make all the difference in the world. So anyways, Chester, so cute. But yeah, as I was saying for the 3rd time, I didn't get any like dreamies, but I was able to like just fill in the blanks for a bunch of the series. Ooh, the creepy one. I don't think we have Rodeo. But he's very creepy. He's actually so perfect for Halloween, which is coming up, or it's actually probably be past Halloween by the time I post this. So haha, I'm filming in September. Now let's go. Oh, I do love Cyrus, but we do have him. Please, I just really want Mary. Can we please get Mary, everyone? We have 2 packs left. Which one should we do? Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? Left. Right is right, but left is better. So we'll go right and leave left for the best for the end. But yeah, so I just got some ones for like all the series. They didn't have too many, which I don't understand. If it's like 1 for 1, then how come their folder is like, oh, I thought I cut the cards, but I didn't. If it's 1 for 1, how? Because their folder used to be like packed, and now it's not. I'm like, if it's 1 for 1, how can it be less than, you know, like, that doesn't make sense to me. 1, 2, 3, Mary. Oh my god, she was the first villager. Oh, I'm getting red. I'm getting so red. Okay, she was, oh goodness, I'm getting so red. She was the first villager that ever gave me her picture, and I loved her so much, and I didn't want to get rid of her, but I had a picture, and then I was wanting to... I'm so happy. Could you imagine if we got married next? I can't even go red and blushing. I'm so embarrassed. I'm so happy we got Tangy. That was such a lovely surprise. And then, wow, 2 cats in a row though. Oh, and then we had our water. Wow, 2 cats in a row though. What are the odds of that? I don't know if I have Tabby either. Wow. We're on the cat run, everyone. Me, as if it's like a village hunt. We're on the cat run today. Goodness, one last pack if I can find it. Okay. I'm glad we got Tangy though. That was such a good... I'm really happy. Like, even if we don't get married, which we will get married, like, let's not jinx it, Tina. Let's not be like, oh, I do need her. Okay, so... but I'm very happy we got Tangy because that was a very, very nice surprise. Like, oh, I'm so happy. Now, please, everyone, leave a cat emoji in the comments and say a little prayer with me that we get our one and only Mary. Do, 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 do. I get copyright strike. That's okay because I believe we have this penguin, but that is okay because it's Mary. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm real struggling. I really am sad though. Let's see the last one. What are the odds? You know? Like, I love her. I got her, I'll be honest, I got her earlier today. Because we did an opening and then I went to the shops. Oh, spoilers. And then I did trading and then while I was there I was like, I'm feeling lucky. Let me get 5 packs. And so we got her earlier for like a different haul. And I was super excited and I really love her. And the fact that I got her again, I love that. I like that. That's so nice. Because I will probably give this one to one of my friends. I'd be like, any friend, do you want her? Because she is my favorite of the SPs. Are they all? Do they all say? Yeah, they say SP because all the others have the little emojis. Wow. So, everyone, leave a like, comment down below. Say a little like, it'll be alright. Like, let's give some encouragement to me, please. Because I'm so sad about Mary. We're so close. I can just feel it in my brain. It says like every gambling addict ever. It's the next one. Don't gamble, everyone, please. As you can see from my misery, the high isn't worth it. So anyways, gamble responsibly. That's the message of today's video. And make sure you are subscribed because why would you not be? Especially if you made it to the end of the video. Clearly you liked it, so subscribe so I can keep making content like this and other stuff. And I'll see you all in the next one. Hopefully in the next one we get married. Fingers crossed. It'd be really nice if like I went to like EB Games and I was like, I just want to like trade some cards, and it was like, wow, Mary, Lily, Marina right there, and I could be like, haha, take my penguin and I'll take Mary. Oh, I should tell you which ones, if I have any double ups or not. Sorry, let me scratch that. Let's rewind. I'll be right back. We actually did horribly. So thank goodness we got Tangy because she was a really good one to get, so it softens the blow a lot. But we got Tangy, and then we got Chester, and guess what? Guess what? I'll tell you what. All of these, the rest of the 5 packs, are double ups. Are double ups. Can you believe it? Here I am thinking, you know what? I think I don't have it. I did have it, and I'm mad. I'm furious. I know it's the luck of the game, and that's part of it, but I'm so mad. I'm not really mad, but it's just kind of a bit disappointed. But if you look, let's see, how many do I actually need? We need 1, 2, we need 37 more. Ow! Oof! It scratched me. We need 37 more. Okay, so make sure that 37,000 of you subscribe. That's all. That's all, folks. Bye!